Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the software and permissions that let Circle Search work. Update the Google app, then grant camera and storage so images can be analyzed. Next, open the Google app settings and turn on the Circle Search or Quick Actions gesture. Once done, practice drawing a small circle on any screen edge to trigger search. This ties a gesture to on-screen selection and the camera. Make sure battery saver is off, because low power modes can block background gesture detection. You now perform the gesture with intent. Draw a clear, quick circle around the object or text you want identified. Hold steady until the overlay captures the area, then let go. The app will analyze and return results like text, images, and links. If the first capture is fuzzy, retry with a slightly larger circle or better lighting. This improves OCR and visual matching. Make sure to tap results to expand actions. Sometimes a second tap reveals copy, translate, or navigation options. You finish by refining captures and handling hiccups. Crop or redraw the circle for tighter focus, and use better light for clearer recognition. If the gesture won't trigger, restart the Google app, then the phone. Temporary glitches clear often. Also check permissions and disable battery optimization for Google, since aggressive power saving stops background gesture listeners. One quick troubleshooting tip: reinstall the Google app if all else fails. That resets settings and often restores Circle Search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.